Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to access the Bookmark Manager in Chrome on your PC. The Bookmark Manager allows you to easily organize and manage your bookmarks. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, look at the top of the browser window. Find the All Bookmarks option and hover your cursor over it. Step 3. After hovering on All Bookmarks, right-click with your mouse. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Step 4. From the context menu, locate and click on the Bookmark Manager option. This will open the Bookmark Manager in a new tab. By following these 4 simple steps, you can easily access the Bookmark Manager in Chrome on your PC. It's a convenient way to organize and manage your bookmarks efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.